MeghalayaPost.news.
Sibenta man rakhi ya ka National Science Day, keyboard niya Skul ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School, anong po, kila pulong sunan da ka Second Annual Science Exhibition, hakabala sibenta shirhem da kisamla puli yung class 10. Lapli ya ka exhibition da ka principal yung ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School nong po, kakong WK bla, hakajing dan langru kinong hikay yung ka school. Kajing temu jong ka Annual Science Exhibition ka long bat punslur, ya kisamla puli ban prung jingmut akajing puli ka science, bat ban kentiu ya kajing nang jing start haman la uwe po uwe ukna school. Lasa kiru ya kajing peni ya kajing sempang bat kasap jong kisamla puli kibalai simenta hakan ka science exhibition.
Though today is not National Science Day as it is celebrated on the 28th of February, but we are celebrating today because on February, as we know that the board exams are still going on, so we could not conduct the program on that day. But here we are again today gathering together to celebrate the National Science Day. But why do we celebrate the National Science Day? We celebrate a National Science Day to commemorate the discovery of Dr. C.V. Raman, an Indian physicist in 1928, and his discovery is known as the Raman effect.
First of all, embracing lifelong learning. Sundar Pichai highlights the value of continuous learning and adaptability. He believes that staying curious and being open to new ideas fosters both personal and professional growth. That is the number one, and that is what I do till this very moment. I share with other teachers that I have not closed my books, I have not closed my mind. I keep on learning. Even the English language, I keep on learning. I look into my dictionary and I learn many words, many new words, and words which are difficult to me. To me, learning is a lifelong process, and that is what Sundar Pichai, he is in the top, one of the top CEO in the world is because of his lifelong learning and growing. Secondly, lead with humility and empathy. Renowned for his calm and humble leadership style, Pichai emphasizes the importance of listening, understanding diverse viewpoints and empowering others rather than exercising control. That is great leadership that brings this company, in fact the Alphabet, who's the parent company of the Google, to the very top. Pichai, he is not starting from the top, but he really worked in different fields of the company, and then he reaches the top. Last but not the least, he welcomed challenges. That is what we all need. He welcomed challenges. Pichai's career reflects the power of stepping out of your comfort zone and tackling challenges head on. He advocates for long-term thinking and maintaining a strong focus on innovation. So these are very, very valuable, assets anyone can have.
So this exhibition is especially to create that awareness and for you to be aware that science is really part of our life. If you cook rice, many of you boys and girls cook rice, that's also science. If you eat ice cream, that's also science. So you cannot imagine that everything in life, every activity in life is actually science related. I could see that you students were very busy with the preparation of all this, and in the process of your preparing these models, I hope you had also learned not only of the importance of science, but learn to work together, because that's also very scientific, working together, how to, communicate with one another, how to help one another, and how to have that scientific mind, a scientific aptitude, so that you can grow as students and the future for your science career whoever would go for it. And I'm sure by creating such awareness, we'll have more students taking more interest in taking up science stream in the future.
meghalayapost.news